Some travelers came to a village, carrying nothing more than an empty cooking pot. Upon their arrival, the villagers were unwilling to share any of their food stores with the very hungry travelers. Then the travelers went to a stream and filled the pot with water, dropped a large stone in it, and placed it over a fire. One of the villagers became curious and asked what they are doing. The travelers answered that they are making stone soup, which tastes wonderful and which they would be delighted to share with the villager, although it still needs a little bit of garnish, which they are missing, to improve the flavor. The villager, who anticipates enjoying a share of the soup, does not mind parting with a few carrots, so these were added to the soup. Another villager walked by, inquiring about the pot, and the travelers again mentioned their stone soup, which has not yet reached its full potential. More and more villagers walked by, each adding another ingredient, like potatoes, onions, cabbages, peas, celery, tomatoes, sweet corn, meat, milk, butter, salt, and pepper. Finally, the stone was removed from the pot, and a delicious and nourishing pot of soup was enjoyed by travelers and villagers alike. This story is a European folktale, with slightly differing versions coming from countries including France, Hungary, Russia, Portugal, and Germany. There are various interpretations of the message in this story, one of which is the importance of getting started on things. Is there something you're putting off trying because you're afraid to start? Don't hesitate any longer, and just start with the small one. Once you start, like a domino, the next solution comes out. Every big thing in the world starts with a small thing.